Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Stacy, and in today's video I will be doing an Amazon Plus extras haul. There's only two other things that I didn't get off of Amazon, so this is going to be a pretty quick one. I did just upload a makeup haul if you guys are interested in watching that after this one. So let me go ahead and just jump right into it. The first item I picked up is this 3D balayage comb, and they look like this. So this one is mainly meant for stylists, so any hairstylist watching me, let me know if you guys have tried these and let me know your thoughts on them. But it says it's the alternative to tease. It's a tool for stylists of any level. Its ergonomic design eliminates wrist stress and creates customized looks. I went ahead and picked this up because obviously I wanted to try it on my clients. It says it improves time when you're doing a balayage, baby lights, highlights, or any type of dimensional look on your client. But I also wanted to try this on myself. So I will be dyeing my hair pretty soon, and I will be attempting to do somewhat of a balayage on myself. My God, hopefully it comes out good, but we're going to find out together. I will be filming that. If you guys want to keep up with any of my uploads or be notified every time I do post any new videos on here, be sure you hit that notification bell button so you get notified when I do. I normally do try to upload once a week, but there are times where I upload more than once a week, so that's why I'm saying put on that notification. That way you know. And if you support me, I would appreciate it. Alright, and so moving on to the next item, it's from the Dop, and it comes in a box like this. I actually have already tested this one. I tested it the other day when I did a hair tutorial. I posted a hair tutorial on my TikTok. If you guys don't follow me on my other social medias, Instagram, TikTok, I'll leave both of my handles down below. That way you guys can check those out. I do tend to post a lot of sneak peeks or quick little makeup looks or little mini tutorials on there, so be sure to check those out. But in the box it comes with this little thing. Like I said, I already used it, so it's already out, but it says the little dot will do, and it looks like this. And then at the bottom it says how to dop. Please dop onto a flat polished surface, so it has to be on something flat. And then it says spin the top clockwise to create suction. Test suction before inserting smart device. Unscrew top to remove dot. I tried this out on my bathroom mirror doing my hair tutorial, and it was perfect. This is exactly what I've been looking for. I usually use my phone tripod. If you guys didn't know, I do film on my iPhone. That's what I'm actually using right now. I don't have a camera or anything, so I use what I have, which is my iPhone. And when I did my other hair video that I have here on my channel, I'll include it down below if you guys haven't checked that one out yet. But I put my tripod in the bathroom, and I found it a little difficult to get like the angles that I wanted. So I've been looking for something like this to go ahead and replace my tripod. So this was perfect. It didn't glide down, it wasn't slipping, my phone didn't pop right off, it didn't do any of that. So it was so good. One thing I will say that I don't think it says anywhere on the site, because I didn't know unless I missed it, but it also comes with this little thing. It's a little instruction card. But one thing I will say is you do need a pop socket for this. So I'm actually glad that I just got one not too long ago. It's this little kitty. This is my very first pop socket that I've had ever. So if I didn't have it, I wouldn't have been able to use this. Since I do have it, I'm glad that I didn't have to wait. On the site, they do sell like a package deal where it comes, like you can buy it with the pop socket. But because I didn't know, I just ordered this. So just keep that in mind if you are interested in buying something like this. But normally you would just put this on a flat surface and then you would clip this right onto it and it grips like that. Want to film any hair tutorials, share your skincare, talk to somebody on FaceTime or for TikTok videos. You can literally use this for anything. Great purchase. Love it so far. And I don't regret getting it. I do regret waiting so long to get it. Guys, I've been eyeballing this for months. Months I've been eyeballing this, so I'm just happy that I finally did get it. It's definitely worth the purchase. So for Amazon, I went ahead and picked up this nail extension gel kit. It looks like this. It's by McCart. I'm not really one to get my nails done. Like, I like to get my toes done but not my nails, simply because I'm a hairstylist. I do get my nails stained a lot, even if I double up on my gloves, whatever, they still manage to get stained. So I don't want to spend the money when it's not going to last me long, right? So I figured if I get a kit and that happens, I can just fix it myself and it'll be a quicker fix and less expensive. It does come like this. It has 6 colors. It comes with the base gel and the top it off polish. It also comes with the nail dual forms like this in a little box, instruction book, nail filer, and then this tube thing, which is the blade and the brush itself. I also ordered these little nail art things. They are super cute. I just figured since I'm already being so extra with the kit itself, I figured why not add some nail art. And I think this would be super cute for my daughter as well. She loves getting her nails done, like more than me. She loves getting her nails done. So I went ahead and got that for both of us. And I also picked up this nail color mainly for her. I don't see myself wearing this. I'm more like a neutral type of girl when it comes to my nails. But she loves, right now she's really into blue. They do sell these separately. McCart carries a lot of different other colors. I believe there's also kits that come with the color you're looking for. Like, I think this had a kit that was like a blue line. It had light blue, baby blue, sky blue, and stuff like that. But because the kit I have or decided to order has like that neutral palette, I wanted to stick with that and just get this single one since my daughter's gonna be the only one who would use this. And then to go with the kit, you do have to get a UV light. So I ordered this one. There's no way you can do the poly gel without it. So this is the one I picked up. I believe it was like the bestseller listed on Amazon, so which is why I picked this one specifically. Alright guys, and the last product I got from Amazon is a hair waver, and it's from Allure, and it looks like this. Comes in this big box. It's pink, super cute. It has like a soft silicone feeling black handle right here. It does come with a little LCD display right here. There's a power button in the middle and then a temperature adjuster on the sides. It does come with a swivel cord, which is great. That way it doesn't mess up the cord. Even though you're not doing any like twisting or anything, it's always nice when any hair tool, hot tool comes with a swivel like this. If you guys are in the hunt for any hair tool, curling iron, blow dryer, hair straightener, always look for one that has a swivel like this. It'll last you longer because the cord won't get all twisty and then just stop working completely. Alright guys, I have it pulled up on my computer, that way I can read to you what the description says. So this is a 1-inch ceramic tourmaline triple barrel. It says it's dual voltage crimp. Ah, that's what a crimp. You guys remember when that was a thing, when that was in the 90s? Yeah, that's apparently coming back now, and I wanted to test it out myself. So I do have a friend of mine who has tried this already. She loves it. She gives it that approval, so I was like, okay girl, if you like it, then I don't see why I wouldn't like it. So I had to try it out for myself. I do like waves in my hair. It's very rare if I wear my hair straight. So anything that gives my hair a lot more body, I'm all for that. It says it goes up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit, and it says it heats up in 60 seconds. So I'll definitely be testing this out and doing a review on it, and I will keep you guys posted on that as well. Alright guys, that completes this video. If there was anything that you guys are interested in or want to check out on your own, I'll be sure to link everything down below to make it easier for you guys to find. The one thing that I would really recommend is this. It's very versatile for everybody. I don't see how anyone can't use this. You can use it for FaceTime, social media, watching a movie even. Since this rotates, Let me show you guys. Since it rotates, it doesn't have to be like this. Like, you can literally move it like that and be watching a movie or watching YouTube, me, while you're brushing your teeth, getting ready in the morning, like very hands-free. I know, like with the pop socket, it like makes it easy for it to like stand, but mine kind of sucks to use as like a little stand. So this is such a freaking game changer. I highly recommend this. If anything, I recommend this for sure. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.